Well, come on, I got some arm busters down there. Now you leave my crappie alone. Yeah, baby!
Yeah. Is it a fish?
Oh,
my God!
Whoa, no, get him in the boot!
Oh, shit.
Woo!
There we go.
I thought he was bigger than that, but man.
Oh!
Ah, it's going on camera! Oh!
Dang!
You know, buddy, that could have been, number 5 that put us in double digits.
Well, whoops.
Look how big this bluegill is. It's huge. Hey. Don't lose this one.
Yeah, I'll try not to.
Man, that might call.
Not a bad fish.
Might go back there and see if he makes one of them. I don't know, it'll be close. Take a gander. If you think he'll call, then switch him out. Right here. Right here. Tied on a spinnerbait, what do you know?
Well, there you go.
Golly! Hey, I think I got the 2 biggest ones.
Yeah.
Oh my God, look at him! Ah! Spinnerbait!
There you go.
First spinnerbait fish. Can't believe I caught one. Whew. Camera's on. Oh, get him in! Get him in! Don't lose him!
My God!
Woo! Dadgummit.
There we go.
You should have caught the big one on your home pond.
Oh, yeah. Oh!
Don't lose him. I would laugh so hard.
Look at that, baby.
Get the smallest one out of the live well and replace him with it.
Jesus.
Hang on, we're about to see who's bigger.
Oh, missed him.
Got him.
Get one?
Yeah, I got him.
Good?
No, I got him. He's in there. I thought we had a double. Hey, that was on GoPro too.
That was?
Yeah.
Nice. Good shot.
Nah, we'll keep until we get bigger.
Get you out here.
He might bite yours better because it's smaller.
Got him. Did you get him?
Oh yeah, I got him.
Oh, there
That's
you go.
a good one. That's a decent size. That's what we come here for. Good top water bite.
There you go. Boom!
Hey, we're calling now, boy. We're calling now.
There we go.
Yeah, buddy. Hey, that might be a contender with mine.
Not bad.
Always stay hydrated. Use your Yeti. Keeps your drinks cold. Ice in there for 5 days, I swear.
Got him. Did you get him?
Yeah, buddy. Oh, he'll help. He'll help.
Oh, yeah. There
He'll
we
help.
go, baby.
Woo!
What is that? 3.5?
Nah, that's like 2 tops.
2? There we go.
I'll show the camera something. If I get these rods done. When they're hitting in the top of the mouth, that's what you want. Woo!
Get him.
Ooh, it's a big one.
Get him. Don't let him jump.
Oh, look at this thing. Look at this. Oh, this might be the biggest today. Oh, no, he's come on. No. Dude, look how, oh, man.
He dropped it. Oh, I thought he got off.
Oh, biggin. Biggin.
No way.
Biggin. Woo.
There you go.
Well, he hit it hard. He's not that big. He might help you.
Oh, yeah, definitely
He'll
help.
help. baby. Oh my God.
Oh, there we
I'm
go.
gonna flip him. I'm gonna flip him.
Okay.
Yeah! Woo!
There you go. Throw in the corner.
It's right in the roof of the mouth. That's what you want. Look at that. Ah! No!
Any pliers?
Yeah, I think I got it. Right there, right in the roof. Just like that. It's a beautiful sight.
Drag it up again along this moss line.
Oh no. Oh. No, don't go in the weeds. I can't get you out. Oh, he'll help. He'll definitely help.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Ooh, nice fish.
Ah! I can finesse him. I can power him and I can finesse him. Look how barely he was hooked.
You thought that one was.
Man, dude, I thought that was a big one. Well, we've been culling since the first hour since we've been here. Nice little pond. Look over there. Got a net going up in this way. It bends around. There's the dam. Caught most of our fish on that pad and along this little mat line. There was a brush pile on the other side around that way we caught some on, but like I said, most of them came on frogs. I caught one on a brush hog, one on a small swim bait, then I just caught that one on the Cinco. Cinco was about the most exciting catch I've had all day. See if you can get one. And no pressure. You're on camera. No. Anyways, today most of our fish came off of this little Pad Crusher Junior. I think it's bullfrog color with a chartreuse bottom. That 6 foot, 6 medium heavy rod worked out perfect. 65-pound braid. We caught, what do you think, 90%? Yeah. 90% of our bass came off this. I caught one off a Gambler a little easy, one off a baby brush hog, and then his big one came off a big brush hog, watermelon red color. Other than that, it's been a good day. Thanks for watching. I'm about to post a few pictures after this, so have a good one. Peace.